Play Music friends. Here are some practice tips for this week. Don't forget to listen to your CD and do your flashcards and do Say It and Play It. Don't forget that too. A couple times have mom sit down and you show them a flashcard and then they find the note and say A, 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 A. That's how Say It and Play It goes. Then we've got A minor scale. It says in the book that it's the same fingering as a C major scale, and it is because there's no sharps or flats in an A minor scale. You start, we haven't learned this note yet, but we have learned that do is always the name of the scale, right? So we know that that's an A. So we put our hand here. And then we turn the page to an A minor cadence. On this one, we've got a red chord, blue chord, red chord, and on the yellow chord, you're going to put, instead of this, we're going to bring our thumb up to this G sharp, and that will help it sound right. Then we do inversions, practice red chord with each hand, and then try right hand blue chord. Don't forget, a hint is that all of the blue chords are going to have F, A, C in them, just mixed up, right? All right, then we're moving on to magic keys. You're trying it with both hands this week. And try to sing along. And then we're going to be doing the New World for our showtime next week. And I gave them each an assignment of one part to have really excellent so we can play it as a class. If you have questions about that or they don't remember, you can text me. And then we've got page 16. Okay, Russian Sailor Dance. So notice that on this one it says right hand is in C position, like this. The left hand is in E position. Oops, sorry. Like this. And that makes sense because that first note is a good bridges don't fall apart. It's an A. And if you're in E position, then your 2 is on A, and it says 2 on A. So you're going to, and the melody jumps around in the left and right hand, right? So you go 2, A, 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 and then your right hand, because it's in the treble clef, plays C, B, A, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, B, A, G sharp. All you have to learn is the first line of this song. So that's going to be fun. And then last it says your composition. Practice what you have so far and make any changes or addition to your music. So some of them were able to compose songs that they're not able to sight read. They were able to play pieces of it and put it together. So they are going to need to practice those compositions. And then for theory, you're going to do puppet show. And it says draw brackets around the themes sounds that happen at the same time, right? So we've got an ogre and a dragon, so you draw brackets around those. And then repeat signs. Excuse me, I'm so sorry, I just typed at her. Repeat signs where they go. And there's a reference on page 48 if you have questions. All right, so we've got spring break this week, right? So go ahead and practice all of this way until next Tuesday, and then I'd like you to really focus on your composition and put some time into that, and maybe pick, I want you to do flashcards 6 times before I see you next. So through 3 times this week and 3 times the next week. And Say It Then Play It maybe 4 times. And then after Tuesday, go ahead and just pick one of the either scale, cadence, or inversions, and then run through each of these songs once and work on your composition. So you only have to do one of these each day. Okay, I hope you have a lot of fun. I hope you have an awesome spring break, and we will see you on the 19th, which is a parent day. Thanks, bye.